Slack, you have no way of tracking what's happening.
When you use Slack and Teams, it separates the collaborative portion from the data.
There's too many one-off conversations. You're not documenting things in a quality management system.
So Slack and Teams, I would view as solely a communication tool to discuss items similar to email, right? Except it's just more informal shorthand.
Where in Unifize, if you @ somebody, they're notified via email, so it's shown in the quality management system as well as email record. It just helps with accountability.
You're not looking at your email or somewhere in Excel, Dropbox, SharePoint, whatever it may be to find the information they're talking about via Slack. It's right there next to you in the same window, the same frame when you're making these discussions. And it links everything right to it. So if there's additional data you need to grab, it's still linked there. And again, in a moment's click, you can go from a non-conformance discussion all the way down to the raw material that was delivered from the supplier lot and their test results.
And I would never use Slack for anything besides a quick conversation. It would create chaos, and I don't think we would ever be able to launch a product if Slack was used.
Unifize makes it a lot more flexible and it's more catered to your specific processes. It's very easy now than where it used to be. Everything was just an email. It's everywhere. It's all in Unifize now, which is nice.